Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how you can perform a search on Pinterest. In order to learn how, keep watching the video without skipping, and if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to perform a search on Pinterest, tap open your Pinterest application, and if you're not signed in, sign into your account first. Once you do that, from the home screen, tap on the search button right next to the home screen icon at the bottom of the screen, and you'll end up in this page. Tap on the search box at the top that says search for ideas and type in whatever you are looking for. Once you do that, you'll be able to see suggested keywords at the bottom right here. You can also find the accounts that are related to your search that matches your search terms. If you tap on any of the suggestion, it will take you directly to the board or to that user's main page. If it is an account, you'll be taken directly to the account and you'll be able to see all the contents related to that account. The suggestion that you see right below your search box are called keywords. If you click on a keyword or search for exact search terms, a result page will appear. If you want to add more keywords, then you can tap on your search box, type more terms in, and then search. You can keep adding the keywords according to your choice, and you'll be able to find the results according to your choice. That is how you can search for ideas and perform a search on Pinterest. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.